Hey Baldhead besties, it's your girl Mo and welcome to the Baldhead Girls Show. Today I'm coming at you guys with a video doing my hair in flexirod using Unicoils and also some hair makeup. I put on my Instagram what color you guys wanted me to use and the votes came in and you wanted either copper or ruby, and baby, I'm rubying, okay? So please, before I start this video, make sure you go subscribe, hit that big red button, and turn on them ding notifications. Back to this regularly scheduled program. Yeah. What you're gonna need for this hairstyle, you're going to need your Unicoils leave-in conditioner, your Unicoils curl cream. Let me tell you, these two smell so good and make your hair feel so soft. Your bottle of water, something to trap that moisture in, so make sure you have your oil mixture. We're going to be giving ruby, baby, ruby. Red like that grapefruit. Good for the body. Alright, Baldhead besties, we're back with the takedown. I guess we can start on back or front, back or front. We can start with the big. So, let's see. We're going to pick one, do that too. We're going to open it up and we're going to unravel it the same way that it was raveled. That's how we're going to take it down. And make sure you have your little bag so you can put them right back in there. you guys, so this is my final product. I'm giving animal crackers in my soup Shirley Temple, okay? First of all, hello Barbara, this is Shirley. I happen to be calling because I found your YouTube video in my man's history. And I wanted to let you know that your hair is fire. Alright, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope you do stay along for the ride. Let me know what kind of videos do you guys want to see? What kind of hairstyles would you like me to do? Just give me some heads up, you know?